Oh. The heck, Adam?
Adam, I'm covering you completely.
Okay. Ow.
Shut up.
Ow. Ow. Ow.
Shut up!
Ow. 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 I can see.
Not anymore.
Where?
No. No. I can feel you.
A bad Adam.
He's plugging the hole.
Are you okay, Adam? I hope you're not claustrophobic.
Because Robbie doesn't care. I'm still alive.
Not for long.
Take a picture of it. Oh, I missed a major part. Adam, I don't think I should use this.
Use what?
This one.
Oh, it's fine.
Okay. Ah! I'm fixing this blanket. I mean, there needs to be more cover.
What are you doing? No!
I'm still alive.
Oh my god, the hand stopped!
Hello! I want that to happen to me. Okay, okay? Okay, this